Okay, so hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a monthly reading for all the Aries Sun Moon Venus rising for the month of August 2025. This is general and not related to love or career or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. I'll find the links below. So let's start. Overall energy for Aries people for the month of August 2025 is, let's see what we have. We have the Two of Wands. Okay, there will be an energy of waiting and watching and hoping for some kind of situation to work out in your favor, or hoping for someone to show up or something to show up in your life. It's like you have a choice, but you are deliberately waiting for something or someone to show up in your life. Okay. For some of you, it's like foreign traveling kind of thing, and you might be waiting for some kind of documentation or visa thing, but your overall energy is telling me that you will be waiting and watching and hoping for something or someone to show up in your energies. Let me see. Okay, we have to use that. Thank God. Let me see what was happening in the recent past for you guys, Aries. We had the strength card. Okay, something was taking a lot of strength and courage from your side to not to go in that direction, to not to do something in a situation where you felt like you should do something. Okay, currently we have the Queen of Cups. You are giving yourself a lot of love, lot of care, lot of love, and lot of loving and healing kind of nurturing kind of energies, meanwhile keeping your feelings and intentions to yourself. By the end of August, the Four of Cups is a little bit of disappointment when it comes to something emotional. Let me clarify these cards in order to get the clear picture. Let's clarify the strength in the recent past for you guys, Aries. Okay, where are you going, honey? Come back. We had the Moon card, the Sun card, the Empress. The Moon, the Sun together is well like is well was like there was a balanced kind of energy. There was a balanced kind of approach in a situation. You were like hoping for something to work out in your favor, hoping for some kind of growth and expansion in certain area of your life, and you were really into this energy of balancing it out. There was a lot of fear. At the same time, there was a lot of excitement too. Okay, and you were hoping for something to work out in your favor, but something was stopping you from going in that direction or doing something about it. Maybe you were waiting for the right time, maybe you were waiting for the right opportunity, maybe there was some kind of blockages that you were working on, and you felt like once these blockages are going to be removed, I will be able to move forward and have that happiness or growth and expansion. Even if there were a lot of fears and doubts, you were excited too, and you were hoping for something, some kind of growth and expansion in a situation, but at the same time you were not able to do much about it. Currently we have the Queen of Cups. Let's clarify this. We have the Eight of Cups, the Two of Wands, and the Seven of Wands. See, you're having a very contradictory energy right now where you're trying to let go of something or someone out of your system, but still waiting for something or someone to show up in your energies, meanwhile trying to protect yourself from all the people, situations, or things that's not good for you. A lot of healing is going on. A lot of this energy of moving on, walking away from something or someone is going on. At the same time, you can't stop waiting. Yeah. For most of you, it's a connection, it's a relationship situation. But for some of you, it can be a job or career situation where you were excited about a work opportunity or career opportunity, but it was not in your hands to do something about it. Currently you are letting it go because things are not going as per the plan or as per your desires. Still you are hoping and waiting for something, some kind of good news or good vibes or good energies. Hmm. By the end of August we have the Four of Cups. We will check the energies in mid of August once more, but for the time being, let's see. Let's clarify the Four of Cups. We have the Queen of Wands, the Hermit in reverse, and the Fool card. Yes, you are going to be disappointed by this waiting game. You're not going to be disappointed like why things are not working out. You are going to be disappointed in the fact that why the hell you were waiting? Why the hell you wasted your time and energy and efforts into something that was not good for you or meant for you? But it's like lesson learned. You are going to stand up for yourself and create your own reality. You are no longer going to wait for anything or anyone to show up. You are going to break free from this waiting game. So it's like breaking free because you're going to have a breakthrough. You're going to realize that you're wasting your time and effort and energy and life onto something that might never happen. So why to waste your time, your precious time? And it's something, it's divine timing at play, that at that point only you are going to realize something. This is very, very important. Whatever is happening is very important for you to learn something from your heart and soul. With your heart and soul, eventually you are going to have a breakthrough. You are going to feel like, okay, I can write my own story. I can change my destiny by changing the way I do things, by changing the way I feel for something or someone, and I'm good to go. So that breakthrough is required for you to move forward, and it will happen eventually. Yeah. For you, the guidance here is the King of Swords. Okay. See, you should have the clarity that whatever you're waiting for or hoping for to happen is something that's actually going to give you whatever you want. Okay? Or it's just your ego telling you to wait for something so that you can feel happy, so that you can feel like finally, or so that your ego can feel proud of you. Yeah? So I try to understand from heart and soul if this is something that you truly, truly, truly need in order to move forward in your life, or it's just just an illusion that you're running behind, or just your ego telling you to run behind something so that finally it can be at peace. The ego is actually never at peace. Never, never, never. One thing stops, then other started. One thing stops and other starts. So try to listen to your heart and soul if this is something that's required or that's important, or it's just again, of course, you need this lesson to move forward in your life, but it's going to be little bit harsh, not like oh my god. Anyway, this breakthrough is coming. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, and may existence bless you. Namaste.